Hey everyone, fall is here, and today we're baking soft and chewy pumpkin cookies. These cookies are perfectly spiced and full of pumpkin flavor. Let's get started. Okay, here's what you'll need: flour, brown sugar, pumpkin puree, melted butter, chocolate chips, 1 egg, baking powder, vanilla. First, pour the melted butter into a mixing bowl. This gives our cookies that rich, soft texture and amazing buttery flavor. Next, add the brown sugar to the melted butter. Turn on the mixer and let them blend together until they're fully combined and smooth. This step helps create that chewy, soft texture we all love in cookies. When the mixture reaches this smooth and creamy texture, that's exactly what we want. Now it's time to add the egg. Crack 1 egg and add it to the mixture. Mix it well until everything comes together and the texture becomes smooth again. The egg helps bind all the ingredients and gives the cookies a nice, soft center. When everything is well mixed, add the vanilla first. It gives our cookies that warm, cozy aroma. Then, add the pumpkin puree and mix again until it's fully combined. This is what gives our cookies that soft, fall flavor we're going for. When the mixture is smooth and fully combined, that means it's ready for the dry ingredients. Now it's time to add the baking powder to the flour. Mix them together first. Then gradually add the dry mixture to the wet ingredients. This helps our cookies stay fluffy and perfectly soft. Mix everything together until the dry ingredients are fully combined with the wet mixture. You should get a soft, slightly sticky cookie dough. That's exactly what we want. While mixing, add your chocolate chips as much as you like. They'll melt slightly in the dough and make every bite rich and chocolatey. When the dough is fully mixed, transfer it to another bowl. Cover it and let it rest in the fridge for about 1 hour. This helps the flavors come together and gives the cookies the perfect texture. After the dough rests, preheat the oven. Shape the dough into small balls. Place them on a baking tray and bake until the edges turn golden. And our soft and chewy pumpkin cookies are ready. If you loved these cozy fall cookies, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more delicious, healthy treats. See you in the next one.